Hi, welcome to the Space Bin website. This is a video toolbox to aid you in changing components on a space bin, hopefully ending the confusion and making your job easier. Today we're going to change a gas strut that's attached to the bin lift mechanism, which comes up when you're pressing. Your gas strut will come as such. You'll have two balls and they go into the sockets. Now the strut's got a bit of pressure, but you can push it down, and this is what you're going to have to do to replace it. The one we're going to replace, we want to install these into the ball joints. They just clip in like that, and that's the way you're going to want to have it when you get it out there. The other important part to remember is it needs to be installed with the shaft down and the barrel up. This allows the oil to sit on top of the seal and keep it wet so it doesn't leak. Other tools you need, two 12mm spanners. There's a nut there and a nut there that you'll need to loosen and tighten. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You'll need that to get the back plate off. And I'd take a torch or some sort of light in case you're in a really dark environment. Before we start the work, we want to make sure the machine is secure. So we always apply the brakes on the wheels. Press one of these stops, turn the key off, take it out. Just make sure they can't come on. I'll apply the brake on the other wheel. And we're going to disconnect the power from the mains as well. So we'll get into the job. As I said before, there's normally a big back panel on this. It's already removed for the video. There's a number of screws holding it on. That's where the number 2 Phillips comes in. Remove them screws, remove the panel, sit it aside. This is the gas strut we're replacing. Now they're both the same, so whichever one has failed or is problematic. So we want to loosen both of these off. So I'm doing the top one to start with. Get it to finger tight. That's about all we want. So that's finger tight. Do the bottom one as well while you're here. Same thing, finger tight. Stop. Now, I said it's under a bit of pressure, but after you remove the top nut, you should be able to get enough weight on it to pop it out and it'll come up. You can remove your bottom nut and that's the strut out. So now we just want to do the reverse. We want to put the bottom bolt back in. We want to put this nut on kind of finger tight. As I said, it's under a little bit of pressure, but I've done enough of them. You should be able to get this down lined up. So I said you might need a torch. Having a hard time seeing myself. Into the hole. Put your nut on. And now we just tighten these up, top to bottom first, doesn't really matter. So that's the gas strut replaced. Make sure you put your back panel on, tighten all the screws, and that's the job done.